Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python in your computer in a very simple way. How you're going to do it? First, you have to open in your Google Chrome browser. You can choose any of your favorite browser. Come over into the search option and going to search for Python. Click enter. And then you will going to click on welcome to python.org, or you can simply click on the downloads and then going to click on download Python 3.1, 3.2. Click on the download. And after a very short time, as you can see, the download has been started and it will take some seconds to complete the download, and it's already downloaded. And now if we click on it for open, now minimize your background apps, and from here we will going to click on this tool item over here and then click on install now. And as you can see, the setup was successful. Now if you close it, or you can simply click on the search option and going to type for cmd and run as administrator. And from here, if you type Python space dash dash call version and enter, as you can see, Python 3.1, 3.2 is rightly installed in your computer. So this is how you can simply install and download Python in your computer in a very short time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.